Can you tell the eyes of a killer? Many people say the eyes are the window to a soul. Can you tell when a person is pure, kind, innocent, or evil? Do our eyes tell us the truth when we are trying to lie? Do they deceive us in moments of truth? Do our eyes speak more than words ever could? Could you tell if a person is a lost soul just by staring into their eyes? On my channel, I often get comments from people who say they can tell these killers are evil just by looking at their eyes. I would like to show you all images of eyes. Some will be of killers and some will be of people who have not killed and are considered good people. Let me know in the comments below how well you did. Thank you guys for participating in this little game. Please join me tonight at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for a story on Anthony Chebetores.